Hello everyone. I have choice unite one, speaking one. Does Peter play tennis? Do you? Do you like play tennis? Do you get up early on Sunday? Adverbs of frequency 100%, always, 75%, sometimes, 25%, rarely, 0%, never. I always drink coffee. I sometimes drink coffee. I rarely drink coffee. I never drink coffee. Okay. I rarely go to the movies on Saturday morning. 25%. I always do the work on weekdays. 100%. And sometimes visit my grandmother on Sunday. 75%. I never wear my pajamas to school. 0%. Bill likes football. Bill likes golf. Bill likes football. She likes golf. Bill likes football and they likes golf. Bill likes football and golf. Speaking to. Always get up at 7:30. Yes, also get up early every day. I get up early on Sunday too. Oh, I don't not. I get up early every day, but I do not get early on some days. Do you like jogging? Yes, sometimes. Do you like jog very early in the morning? Not. I don't jog early in the morning. I always jog later at 10 o'clock. As, come, up, not, uncle, does, ugly, dumb, up, month. My uncle come from London. My mother doesn't come from London. A cat, apple, fat, ask, black, a sack, actor, map. My back is bad, my fat mat is happy. Back, Book, bank, bunk, cat, cut, cup, cup, hat, hot.